everyone, and welcome to this series of Real Mom interviews by NewMomLife.com. In this video, we'll be interacting with Jaspreet, who is such a dynamic personality. Jaspreet is BTech in Electronics and Communication and Masters in English. Jaspreet is blessed with a lovely son Jaskaran, who is 6 years old. At present, Jaspreet is running her own IELTS academy by the name Eminence IELTS Institute in Punjab. In this interview, Jaspreet shares with us her approach of how she is raising her child and how she ensures that Jaskaran remains active and keeps on learning new things. So let's meet Jaspreet. So, hello Jaspreet and welcome to this series of Real Mom interviews by NewMomLife.com.
Hello, Gitika. It's
How
such
are
a
you?
pleasure.
Yeah, thank you
I'm
so
good.
much.
Yeah, I'm
All
good.
right, all right. So, shall we start with the interview, Jaspreet?
Yes, I'm ready. You can start with the interview.
All right. So the first question for you is that you have a very busy schedule, and we all know that you manage your work life, your family life so well, but yet you're always glowing. I mean, you are always very happy. You're cheerful. So what's the secret behind that?
The secret, Gitika, behind that is I think I'm very optimistic person. I take the things in a positive manner, and I make sure that my daily regime I'm able to maintain that. Means like I'm able to wake up at time, do my physical workout, eat healthy
All
food,
right.
and and I make sure that the negative vibes stay away from me, and I drink lots of water also.
My God. All right. So that's a very
Yeah.
good practice that you
It
do.
helps you.
So
Yeah.
that's really good to hear that you wake up specially for your workout. That's a really a good thing, and I really admire that. That's hats off to
Thank
you
you.
for that.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you.
All right. All right. So the second question for you is that how do you ensure family time? That how do you ensure that all of you at least get some time together, do some activity or something? How do you ensure
Yes.
that?
Okay. See, I think that family time is very important. Means it is essential that you have a professional life, but until or unless you are not spending time with the family, then it is of no use that you're working. So I
Exactly.
make sure that I make sure that from the whole day, like at least dinner or after dinner, that we should move out. Like whenever I get some free time, I make sure that I spend maximum time with my kid, involve him in studies, or I spend time with my husband. We go out for small outings.
All
So
right.
it also helps, it also helps to refresh the relationship,
Yes.
between
Yes.
us.
Absolutely. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
That's really important. Very nice. Very nice, I must say.
Okay.
All right. So
Yes.
the third question for you is, do you actually get that me time for you? And if you do, then how do you manage it?
Yes, I'm, like if I get the me time, that is the most, special time. Like I feel like a princess when I have
Yes,
that me
yes,
time.
obviously,
When
yes.
I have that me time, like I pamper myself. Like when I get the me time, like some of the time when my classes are not there, or when just Karan is playing, like my son is playing in the ground, or then I make sure that I pamper myself. I work on my skin. I work on my dressing. I go to salons for the sessions, and like I do the things which I like. Like I also like to dance, so I do that.
Very
It
nice.
gives you yes, it gives you happiness. And in me time, I also think that some of the times you think that okay, what mistakes you have done and how you can improvise it, how
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
improve
yeah.
yourself. So yes, I do that also in my me time, that how I can improve myself more.
All right, all right. Very nice. So the next
Yes.
question for you is, what is your easiest go-to meal for your kid? Like in terms of that can be cooked very easily, quickly, and yet it is very nourishing. So what is
Okay.
your go-to meal?
Okay, so my easiest go-to meal for my kid is that he has great love for potatoes,
All
and
right.
he also, yes, he loves potatoes, and he also loves the boiled eggs. So like I make sure, so I just peel off the potatoes and make it a little fry and cook it, like I steamed it, put some water in steam. So he liked to eat that with the tomato sauce, and he also loved to eat the boiled eggs. He is very fond of these things. So these two things I make him quickly for him, and some of the times if he needs omelette, I also prepare omelette for him.
All right, all right. That's good. All right. So
Yeah.
the next question would be that, as we all know that the classes at present are online. So what's your take on online classes, especially during this pandemic time, and what things as a parent you ensure so that your child keeps on learning?
Hmm. Okay, so Deepika, what I felt in this period is I think that online classes, it acted as a boon for the kids, at least because it did not break the rhythm of the studies. It did not break the rhythm of the academics with the kids.
Absolutely.
They keep on learning. And as a parent, I always make sure, that when his classes are conducting, that I must sit with him and listen that yes, what his teacher is saying, and if he is not understanding the concept, informing her that he is not understanding, please can you elaborate it, or informing my son that you can ask like this, and checking his homework, make sure that daily, yes, the daily 2 hours he studies. So in this way, I took care of his studies, and I think that online classes is like as I earlier said, that it acted as a great boon for the for the academics. Like it helps them to stay connected with the studies.
So I think that's really a very good part on you, that you actually sit with your kid during his online classes. That's very nice. I always say
always
that.
make sure.
Please continue.
Okay, I always make sure that I sit with him, because and as I'm sitting with him, so then only I get to know that how he's like academically performing and what kind of things he's understanding or not, where he needs help. So it is very essential for a parent to sit along with a child.
That's nice, very nice. So the next question would be, does your child gets involved in some kind of household work?
Okay. See, I would say that Jaskaran is 6 years old, but and like sometimes if I insist him, or some of the times if he is interested in his own, then he helps me in the kitchen, because he's
My
very
God, very
fond
nice.
of. Yeah, actually, he's very fond of looking at me that how I make that round chapatis. That Indian, and he's very much obsessed with the with the wheat flour, and because he used to play with it, and he said, okay mama, I'll help you, just give me that thing and I'll make it round for you. I have to make that. I'll help you, okay, I'll help you in cutting the vegetables, I'll help you in making chapatis. So if he's interested, he'll keep on saying this. But if he is not that much interested, then he'll say, okay, mama, you can do it on your own. If I insist him, then he do that.
All right. You know what? My daughter is just 2.5 years old, but still I must say that she is very excited. She takes the kapda, she takes that clothing, and she likes wiping her own toys, her slides, everything. She likes it so much. Yeah. So
that is very, that is very, like seeing your kid helping you, it is very, it gives you very nice feeling.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
And like though, yes, though there is like we have a there is a preconception in our society that boys should do outwork and girls they should involve in the household, but I will never make my son like this. I will make sure that he do because in today's time I'll make sure that he do every work. Like he should know each and every household work even.
Even my daughter is so obsessed with those boy toys. She likes that Thanos character.
Yes.
She likes that Iron Man. She has all those figures with herself. Yes, she's so obsessed with those toys, I must say. All
Yes,
right.
obviously, because now there is no disparity among
No,
kids.
not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
Yeah.
Chalo. The next question for you is, in what ways your husband support you?
My husband supports me in every way. I think, I feel myself so blessed that I'm married to a man, who is very affectionate towards me. Like he always keeps me like a princess, and he supports me in everything, like emotionally and in household works also. Like if I'm occupied in my professional life, then he also helps me in that, and he understands me, and like he helps me in every way. Like in my professional life also, if I need some kind of help, I need some kind of suggestion, if I need some kind of condolence, and in household work also, like in when I am in you could say in a gloomy situation, in a depressed situation, then also he helps me. Means like he is everywhere with me. Like I cannot describe it in words. So
Yeah, yeah,
like,
yeah. I can
I'm so
understand.
blessed to be, yeah, I'm so blessed to be married to a man like him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really nice. So the last
Yeah.
question for you is, what's your
Mhm.
parenting mantra to manage your kiddo so well, I must say, because you are working also and still you manage your work life as well as your family life so well. And how do you keep
Mhm.
yourself calm?
I think that patience and tolerance, that is very important in such things. Parenting mantra is that I'm very patient. I'm very tolerant towards my kid, and I make sure that whatever he speaks, like from like even if a small thing or even like a big thing, whatever he is speaking of his friends, of his work, or office studies, I listen very patiently to him and make sure that I give him a proper and a convinced answer. So in that way, I handle my kid, and I try that, at the same time, I make him disciplined also. I tell him that what things are wrong and that should not be repeated, what things are good. And I think listening to your child and being friendly with them and not so over strict with them
Hmm.
helps you to become a good and an understanding
Hmm.
parent. And I make sure that I make a timetable, like a proper timetable, that how to manage my time, how to balance between my personal and the professional life. That when I'm working, I'm in my professional hours, and I do not involve my personal life. I do not keep thinking about it, keep pondering about it. And when I'm in my personal space, like with my family, then I do not bring my professional things. So in this way, you can balance both. And when you are done with your work, make sure that you spend ample time with a good quality time with your family. So in this way, I manage the things.
Very nice, very, very beautiful answers you have given, I must say. And the things to take from you, I will say that you have to work out, you have to drink lots of
Mm.
water to be cheerful, as cheerful as you, and you have to keep yourself calm and be patient, right? So
Yes,
that's your
yes,
mantra for this
yes,
glowing
yes.
skin. Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank
So
you,
one
Ritika.
thing I would like to mention, Jaspreet, that I will be recording this interview and I will be putting it on our YouTube channel and the website that we manage. So are you fine with that?
Yes, I'm absolutely fine with that. I do not have any issues with it.
All right. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for giving your precious time, for connecting with us and giving
Mhm.
the answers so beautifully. Getting the answers from such a beautiful person is really a very, very privilege for
Thank
us.
you so
Great
much,
privilege.
Ritika.
Thank you
Like,
so much.
yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so much.
Ritika.
So shall we sign off,
Okay.
Jaspreet?
Yes, yes, we can. We
All
can.
right, all right, all right.